Hey there, welcome back, and if you're new, then welcome. I'm really glad you're here because tonight we're making another high-protein dinner that is very easy to make. Go ahead, like this video and subscribe, and let's jump right in. Start by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Get a baking dish, and for your sweet potato to cook fast, poke it all around with a fork. Pour a little oil on top, sprinkle salt on each side, and then rub that in. Pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes while you prep everything else. You can also cook this a little before you start. Totally up to you. Now, onto the veggies. Start by dicing one large bell pepper. Then dice half of a large onion. Next, slice a handful of mushrooms. This ended up being about 10 small to medium button mushrooms. Take your half-cooked sweet potato, cut off the ends, and cut it into small cubes. You don't need to cook it before. I just like my sweet potatoes very well cooked because they become sweeter. If you skip the pre-cook, just add 10 to 15 extra minutes to the baking time before adding the cheese. Add the cubed sweet potatoes to your baking dish. As we cook, we will keep adding everything to this dish so we use as few dishes as possible. Lastly, smash and mince 2 cloves of garlic really well. To the pan, add about a tablespoon of oil. Once heated and thinned out, add your garlic. Let that cook until fragrant, about a minute or two, depending on how hot your pan is. Then add in your ground meat. I have beef today, but chicken or turkey works great as well. Season with a little salt and pepper and cook for about 5 minutes or until no longer pink. Once done, add the meat to the baking dish with the sweet potatoes. Add another teaspoon of oil to the pan and toss in your veggies. Season this with your salt, pepper, and garlic powder. If you want extra flavor, chili powder or cumin works really well here. Sauté our veggies for 4 minutes. Once cooked, add the veggies to the baking dish and give everything a good stir. Top it with a nice layer of cheese. Since everything is mostly cooked, bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and everything is heated through. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.